In Bhopal, a power outrage disrupted Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav entry at Makhanlal Chaturvedi University Abhyuday 2025 event. As light went out for 2 minutes, security guards rushed to secure the stage. Students diffused tension by chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Poet Kumar Biswas, attending as chief guest, watched as university staff scrambled. The sudden blackout left the administration embarrassed but didn't derail the event. Speeches and cultural performance resumed after power was restored. Officials blamed a technical fault. The incident triggered sharp question about preparation during VIP visits. CM Mohan Yadav honored 8 district collectors with gold medals for top performance in Niti Aayog Sampurna campaign. The initiative ran from July to September 2024. At the award function, the CM sent a strong message saying good work will be rewarded. Failure will bring strict monitoring. Chief Secretary Anurag Jain also attended. Officers across the state watched closely as the event highlighted accountability and grassroots governance. Other deserving officials will be awarded locally. The recognition is being seen as a push for improved delivery in public services. In Chhindwara, Congress leaders take a bizarre protest over fertilizer shortage by tying a memorandum around a dog's neck. They claim the district collector was not available to receive it. Senior leader Umang Singhar, Nakul Nath and Jitu Patwari joined the protest. The dog was lifted by Singhar, shocking many. Congress said the act symbolized farmers' distress while BJP slammed it as an insult to democracy. Video went viral and drew strong reaction. The incident has now turned into a political flashpoint, highlighting rural distress and deepening party clashes in the region. Energy Minister Pradyuman Singh Tomar shocked staff at Shivpuri District Hospital by cleaning a dirty toilet himself. Angered by the unhygienic condition, he grabbed cleaning tools without waiting for staff to respond. Later, he stopped near Leharpura Bridge to clear roadside garbage with a spade. Local watched in surprise as the minister said cleanliness must start with us. While social media praised his hands-on effort, others criticized poor local administration. The incident sparked debate over ministerial duties versus staff accountability. Tomar's actions have gone viral, triggering reaction across the state. In Dhar, police sealed a disputed Imambara during a secretive late-night operation that began around 3 a.m. The administration said the move was aimed at preventing unrest linked to the long-standing property dispute. Heavy police presence, including STF units from Bhopal, Indore and Datia, ensured the situation stayed under control. The site had been under the Tazia committee possession, which now stands challenged. No clash were reported, but tension remains high in the area. Authorities say the step was necessary for peace. The sealing operation lasted nearly 90 minutes. Congress MLA Arif Masood faces a police case for allegedly submitting forged documents to gain college recognition. The case was registered at Kohe Fiza police station in Bhopal. Authorities claim fake papers was used to obtain affiliation. The development sparked political fire. BJP leader demanded swift action and strict penalties, while Congress dismissed it as politically motivated. Masood is known for raising minority issues and has a strong local presence. Police are now verifying all submitted documents. The controversy is gaining momentum as both parties trade accusations. A dramatic protest unfolded in Bhopal when Congress leader Pradeep Saxena, known as Monu, wrote a letter to Rahul Gandhi using his own blood. The protest took place near Rajiv Gandhi's statue at Bitton Market. Saxena opposed the appointment of 71 new district presidents, accusing the party of ignoring loyal workers. His act shocked onlookers and quickly spread on social media. While some call it is a desperate cry for internal reform, senior Congress leader remained silent. The episode has sparked debate about dissent and frustration within the party ranks. Advocate Archana Tiwari, missing for 13 days after boarding Narmada Express, was found safe and reunited with her family. She later alleged mental harassment by Gwalior Constable Ram Singh Tomar, accusing him of repeated calls and disturbing messages. Archana, once a student leader and now a civil judge aspirant, said the harassment left her mentally distressed. Police have started a probe and are verifying her claims. The case has raised serious concern about women's safety during travel. Legal circles are also watching closely as the investigation continues. Ex-RTO Constable Saurabh Sharma is at the center of a major financial investigation after ED attached properties worth crore under money laundering charges. The Income Tax Department is now probing assets allegedly held by relatives and close associates. Firms linked to Sharma, including Aviral Construction, are also under scrutiny. Officials suspect large sums were funneled through Benami accounts. Once a mid-level official, Sharma's massive wealth is now drawing national attention. The case is being dubbed one of the biggest scams involving a government employee in recent years. Madhya Pradesh continues to see heavy monsoon activity with rain pounding over 25 districts. In the past 24 hours, Sindor recorded a highest rainfall at 3.1 inches. Weather officials say active monsoon through depressions and cyclonic systems are driving the downpour. Rivers and drains are swelling, prompting flood alert in multiple districts. Authorities are urging caution, especially in low-lying areas. Farmers, however, are welcoming the consistent rain as a blessing for crops. Forecast predicts similar conditions for the next 4 days across central and western Madhya Pradesh.